What is up, guys? It's Carson. It's Sammy. I've got a shaved mustache for those of you that hated it. We are the complete couple. Today we are going to bring you to the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Hollywood. This is before we are hopping on a 4-night Virgin Voyages cruise, so get prepared for that. If you're new here, remember to hit the subscribe button. We're trying to hit 7,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button. We've got a lot to do today. I think we're going to try to hit the pool if it's not too crowded. We're going to show you guys some food, some gambling, some fun. Stick around. We'll see you guys downstairs. Alrighty, so first stop today.
Yep, this is the Beach Club Bar and Grill. Sad news, our favorite pool is the old pool, which has the water slide and the waterfall.
We've shown it before.
No one ever really goes there. It's usually empty. It's really chill. It's really easy to get to the bar. They have good food. You don't have to fight for seats. They close it for winter until the summer. It's only open on Saturdays and Sundays. Devastated. I was prepared to go to the pool today. I don't know if we are, but we are at this pool
How pretty
bar.
it is.
Super pretty, like look up. Like look how pretty that is. So we are gonna go see if we can find a spot after this. So fingers crossed, and we'll show you the menu and the food we get.
Alright, so finally we found the food here. So here's your cold items. Shrimp cocktail, seared tuna bowl sounds good. Hots, chicken wings, snapper tacos, banh mi, Mexican street corn. Salad, you got a Caesar and a Greek. Then you got your entrees. Sourdough grilled cheese sounds amazing. Pepito steak sandwich sounds really good. And there's your sides. We're gonna get some food and we'll see how it goes. Oh, here's the flatbreads. Heck, missed the flatbreads. Boom. See what we order. Okay guys, food just got here. Let's go over a couple things here. For one, this is the Pepino's steak sandwich. I'll be honest, it actually looks pretty good. So we're gonna try that. Here are the French fries. How are the French fries, babe?
Better, I added salt. Pretty good.
What'd you think on the first bite?
Needed salt.
Yeah.
But now it's better. They're like double fried.
Yeah. So French fries, okay. I will tell you, I'm a little unimpressed with the salad. It looks kind of bland.
That's what they always do.
There's not much going to it. Here's the side. Do you feel like there should be a little cheese or like a crouton?
Yeah. What is this?
And then hold on, I want to go over one thing. What in the hell is this cheese
Look
here?
at the cheese, dude. It looks like American cheese that's been set under a heat lamp for 25 minutes.
It looks like it has been sat under the heat lamp for an hour and a half, and it's ice cold. Chicken's hot, but the cheese. Look at this cheese, guys.
It's so
it's
weird.
rubber.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna try that. So we'll see how it goes. We're gonna let you know. I'm gonna give you my honest opinions. Inside looks nice.
It does actually. All right. Well, now I'm holding this, so we're gonna try this.
All right, let's try Pepino's steak sandwich.
Pepito.
Whatever the hell it's called.
The steak itself is pretty good. The bun's soft.
We did do the classic split 50-50 because again we couldn't decide if we wanted chicken or steak, so we did the classic split.
That's pretty good. Not the best steak sandwich I've ever had. A little chewy, but the flavor's there and the bun's really good.
It looks actually nice.
Yeah,
now this is interesting. I'm excited to see how this is.
I mean, it's cooked really nice. Oh my god, this is gonna be a disaster. Oddly enough, it looks so bad.
Yeah?
It's really good.
Wow, alrighty there. 2 for 2 on the pool food.
I'll have him try it and let you know what he thinks.
We normally like the pool food, so I'm not shocked.
I mean, listen, it's not the best we've ever had, but for Hard Rock pool food, that's pretty dang good.
I like it. We'll show you guys the bill.
Alright, so after everything, final review, what's your thoughts?
I would honestly I think the steak sandwich was 3.5.
Yeah, it was like, the meat was dry, but that really wasn't the problem. I feel like it needed more sauce overall. Like the whole thing was dry.
It was average at best. The chicken sandwich looked the worst, but it was probably a 7.5 out of 10. The sides were a 2.5 out of 10.
What'd you think about those? They look better than they are.
Still dry, dude.
Yeah.
Just flavorless.
Yeah. So, you know, I'd say kind of what I was expecting. Tampa's pool bar and
Tampa's
food
pool bar is incredible.
is so good. So this is just kind of your average overpriced pool food.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go see if we can get a spot at the pool. We'll take you there. And he's gonna show you the bill.
All right, real quick, here's the bill. You can't go to dinner or lunch for less than $100. So $82 gratuity, actually, now that I see, was included. That's good. So that's actually better than I thought. $82 including gratuity. We'll see you at the pool. Sammy's debating. It finally started to die down a little bit, but it's already 3:30.
Almost 4.
So we don't know if we want to have to shower.
I'm like really wanted the pool. I really wanted to get a chair at the pool, get a drink, order food to my chair, eat the food in the sun,
Oh, yeah.
and get in the pool. But then
Yeah.
obviously they closed my pool, so.
But look how nice this is over here. So this is like a little beach area. It's actual sand, the beautiful beach. It's really nice. Really, really nice.
It's really cute.
Yeah, it is. I agree. How pretty it is here. It's like an oasis, you know? Abaka's on the second floor. That was closed for the longest time. It finally reopened. That's where we just ate right there. The Beach Club Bar and Grill. Again, food was average at best, in my opinion.
Even the old pool here is better. I don't know why. It's a different kitchen. And
Different
the
kitchen.
one in Tampa is, the food is amazing.
That's the winner.
That one is so good.
But this is kind of like a lush paradise. I mean, just look. So beautiful. So you gotta check in. So this is for pool guests only, or sorry, for hotel guests only. So if you were to come here, they do check you to get in. It's very serious. All right, we're gonna see you guys back inside. All right, I don't know if you guys know this, but we did get some chickens.
This is for my chickens, Raven and Raven.
Even though that's a rooster, so no way. Oh my gosh. I think you need 6.
I'm leaving it.
6. Oh my gosh, that's messed up, dude. That was such a tease.
Alright, 2 more spins.
Come on. Oh my gosh. That is so messed up. That's it? That's all you're going to finish on? Alright, we'll see if we get anything else.
Alright, he had something. He got 3 free spins.
50 wilds added? What is that?
That's gotta be good, right? Oh, I think that just means they get added in the thing. It doesn't mean you're gonna hit them, you know what I mean?
You're joking, right? It's terrible.
25. Wow, that's what you got for 50 for the wild walk? No. Oh, you haven't won anything.
That was
You've won $6 so far.
terrible.
Oh, that was it.
That was all again.
Oh my god, that bonus was $6.
So far, I'm down 150.
I'm down 75. We literally won nothing.
Actually, I've gotten 3 bonuses and they all paid $0. But this thing shut down, dude.
270, 300. So that's the degrees. 0, 350, 10, 20. And then look, they've got this all taped up. Look.
Kind of weird.
Yeah, I don't know what they're doing. Weird though, because people come for that.
Kind of messed up. Look at that baby. She's got a big old pizza.
That is a huge pizza. Oh my god, you really sold them that big. I want to order one for fun.
I do too.
Well, if we run out of money, we may be doing how many pieces of pizza can we eat? We'll watching a movie later. Anyway, pool was slammed, so we gave up. We gambled for a little bit. We're gonna go up, we're gonna change. We'll give you a quick little show of the room because we did not stay in the guitar. We stayed in the old hotel, and I was worried about it, but actually it's a pretty nice room. I'll explain upstairs. We're gonna change, get ready for dinner, maybe go to some shops, show you guys that, and let's go upstairs. All right, so we are in the old Hard Rock Tower, and I'll be honest, I'm pleasantly surprised. It kind of reminds me of the Tampa one, just like a quick, not really official room tour, but I mean, nice bedding, 2 pillows per bed, which is hard to find in hotels now. Sorry, it's dark, we don't have all the lights on, but a nice little sitting area, TV, big bed. Again, I mean, huge couch, table, chair, more tables, lamps, and then of course we don't have a view, but kind of do because like, look at the guitar. Like, I think that's pretty cool, to be honest. I mean, I think it's cool. That's the Oasis Hotel. That's my favorite guitar hotel. And then again, this is the old hotel, and below us is the casino. The reason why we got the old room is that since we have comp rooms here and there, I did book a non-smoking in the guitar hotel. However, you know, it is first come, first serve, and we got here at like 1. Basically, we could get a hotel there, a room over there, but it would be a bath, not a walk-in shower. Well, I love the walk-in showers here, so we opted for this hotel that would have a walk-in shower, so that is why we picked this room. We could do the guitar, but it was like a bath shower situation. But overall, nice room. Let me show you the bathroom here in a second. Again, this is why we picked this room, because it's the nice like walk-in shower. Again, it's not as big as the other ones and doesn't have the Speakman that I like in here, but still much nicer than the tub combo. But look at this, huge dual sinks, a whole bar, and then your toilet area is over here. So honestly, in my opinion, pretty nice room. So don't be scared of the old Hard Rock rooms because they're pretty nice. So we're gonna get ready and we'll see you down shopping and dinner.
All right, guys, just like that, we are changed. We are ready for the night. I don't know where we're gonna go. We may go to Espresso. We may go walk around. I have no idea.
We have Espresso booked. We just may go to somewhere else, but Espresso's so good, so I don't know.
We'll see you down there.
I love this art store. So we're walking the shops. Look how pretty that is.
Let me see how much this is. I wouldn't spend $7 grand on this either. $7 grand.
It's a lot.
All right, well, we'll see where else we go. I like the American Fly. That's my favorite. Look how cool these guitars
I
are.
know, right? They paint that. That's so cool. If I was rich, that'd be something to game him.
We're not rich though, unfortunately.
I can't buy anything in here.
No. All right, we got a bonus. I was late recording. 50 cents, guys. I'm like really down in the dumps. This is like min bed. I don't even know what this means, but it looks cool. Oh, I think if she lines up there, then you get what's up there. Okay, well, all right, we need girls here then. No, that didn't make sense. There wasn't a girl there, so I'm unsure now. Come on, guys. We need a big one. Come on, just line one up. That looks good. And it didn't even drop anything. You dropped a 3X, it doesn't do anything. This game's dumb. Light it up looks good though. Nope, blocker. Retrigger? Oh yeah, it was a retrigger. Never mind, that was actually important. All right, this has got to be something here. We're up to $7. We need her to drop some serious wilds. We need all 3 wilds to drop. Let's for one time. One time. That looks good. All right, that looks good. We're up to $10. Okay. Come on, drop it. Nope. All right, 2 more spins. We're at 20x right now. Come on, drop all the wilds. Never mind, that was it. All right, well, that was kind of an average bonus at best, but nonetheless, we got a bonus.
Something.
Here we go. Bring it back if we hit anything.
All right, so we're back playing. We've got 10 free games on this Griffin's Throne. Let's see if we get anything. Carson's not too happy. He's thinking it's not looking too good.
This actually has a chance to hit right here.
Oh, now it has a chance.
Yeah, look at all the Griffins that are held here. Come on, 10x, 10x, stop. 5x. Oh my god, alright. Alright, we're $17.
All right, $17.
Not good, not great.
Yeah, Carson had his last $10 left, and he was making it work.
A video, come back, but I took a picture.
Yeah, he did. But you know, for a 60-cent bet, that's pretty good. 75-cent bet actually. 7 out of 10 game, almost at $20. And then we're gonna go to dinner here. Also, sorry this is on the phone because if you know you're not supposed to record in a casino, I'm just waiting to be told now.
What a shitty bonus.
All right, $20.45. Better than nothing.
Alrighty, Sammy just walked away. I got a first spin bonus. Here we go, baby. Let's go. Come on, we gotta hit something. I don't know. Oh, fireworks, something. Did nothing. All right, come on, baby. We got $20 already, though. That's good. Come on, baby. Let's do something. 10x. All right. Come on. First spin bonus. We take it. Come on, baby. 10x. All right, last spin. Hit something. That's got to be decent. There we go. $60. Boom. Take it all day. All right, we're coming back. Sorry guys, so last night got a little crazy. We somehow I didn't record. I thought I did. I don't know, I was pressing the wrong button. Maybe I was too drunk. We'll pick you guys up and we'll see you guys here at Rise for breakfast.
Alright, so we came to Rise for breakfast. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way. Here is the menu overview, just really quick. Breakfast, eggs, sides for breakfast, and then you kind of have more like lunch here, which is like soups, salads, and sandwiches. The Reuben is very tempting. And then this is kind of more like dinner. So you got appetizers and then more of like your dinner entrees and dinner sides and then desserts. And you got some drinks. So we'll show you what we get.
Alrighty guys, so I will tell you this. Infamously, I'm not 100% always about Rise, but I'm gonna be dead honest with you. Everything looks right and it looks incredible.
And our server is the sweetest.
Yeah. Also, last night I somehow deleted all of our dinner reservation material, so you're probably skipping forward to the day. I think I was drunk. I don't know. Anyways, but this looks amazing. We're gonna try it. Look at the potatoes, look amazing.
They smell so good.
Look at
this vat of grits. We asked for a side. That is a bowl. That is a bucket.
It's a Sammy said it best. That is a vat of grits.
I'm gonna get the fruit for you.
Yep, perfect. Thank you.
Oh, he's bringing fruit. Look at this plate.
Okay, hold on. This is the 222. So you get eggs, and then you get 2 bacon, 2 sausage. You get 2 any meats. Like there's a ton of meats. And then you get potatoes. And then he was so nice, and he let me get fruit instead of toast. If you know I don't like bread necessarily. And then he got me grits. Look, oh my, this is a bucket
amazing.
of grits. Yeah, it does.
Alright, cool. We're gonna try this.
Ooh, the eggs actually look good.
You get cheesy eggs?
Oh my god, that's so soft. Let's try bacon. I'm picking on bacon.
Heard the crunch. You can hear the crunch from here.
Nothing has let me down yet. I'm very
Wow.
sorry. Last thing.
Oh, I didn't realize you got 2 sausages and 2 bacons.
I told you to get the 222.
Ah,
For Rise,
winner.
fire.
Cool. Let me eat mine. Look how good that looks. It's got avocado, sausage, cheese, and egg. It looks amazing. They were gonna put the potatoes in there. I asked them to take it out. And pico, I asked them to take it out. We're gonna dig
Oh,
it.
here.
See you guys at the bill.
Hold on.
By the way, happy Valentine's Day to all you people.
Great consistency, just needs salt.
Yeah, it looks like it
Ooh,
needs
that
some
is
salt.
really good consistency. Creamy.
I like it. We're gonna eat up. Here you go, final bill. 222 grits were $8. Wow.
Wow, that is a full
$77 with 2 mimosas. We're gonna pay and get out of here.
It was really good though. How was your burrito?
Amazing.
Really
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
All right. Somehow, 60-cent bet, second spin. Oh boy.
Not good?
Dude, I haven't hit a good bonus yet.
I know, you've hit like 4 bonuses, but he's won, I think, no more than $12, I think.
Oh my god. That was terrible.
That was it?
Yeah, 10x.
Oh my god, he won $6.70.
All right, guys, that right there was the Hard Rock Hollywood. I know it was kind of a jumbled up video. Stick with it. I hope you had fun. Sammy ended up turning $60 on the war table into 300.
Almost 300.
She actually was up to like 4, and then she tied on 2, lost them. Some other people joined the table. She said she was going to walk away with 300. She walked away with 275, so theoretically a little downhill turn there. However, nonetheless, she turned 60 into 270, which is really good. I turned 200 into 50. So, hey, winner, winner, chicken dinner. This is going to be it. Stick around. Remember to hit the subscribe button. We are boarding, as we speak, Virgin Voyages for a 4-night cruise.
5 night.
5-night cruise. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.